All right. So Junior over here said that's not. It's only a twitch, and that's half a line.
That's a twitch.
I told him it looked like a golf club.
The problem is
a
the other
twitch.
side's a full line now.
Yeah, well, no, it's been a full line. Don't say now.
You said it was not even moving.
No, I said it was a full line. Left side was a full. They were both full lines on each
right
side.
side. That's your first problem.
Okay.
This is right.
Okay.
Left. Left's
Well,
over here. Right's over here.
Installed in a bike, it is, but
Yes.
in its current situation, that's the left side.
So if we're talking about your ass, that's not on your head.
Okay.
Doesn't matter how you're standing up or laying down.
It depends where I'm looking at it like this.
Okay, so what do you do? You screwed this side up really bad.
No, I did not. That side hasn't moved yet.
It's way the hell out.
It has been way the hell out. Roll back the tape. I got footage.
You got footage.
Yeah.
Unless it disappears.
That's
Okay, the first problem you got is this here is in the wrong spot.
See, how can you just hit it right on the pin like that? Does it move?
The bearing's down here. I don't know, what was it before I moved?
One line.
It's only half a line now. So.
Oh, so you can hit it
I can
when
hit
it's
anything.
1/8. Okay.
I can hit anything at any time.
Yeah, that's right. Excuse my
If I
ignorance.
have hammer, it will travel. It moved from here to here. Now we got to see where your side's at. Yours is high right on the pin.
That's a twitch.
This one's high right on this side. So this one needs to be hit on this side. Unlike yours.
Yeah, see, it's exactly what I said.
That's right.
Do
That's
the
right.
opposite of what you did on that side.
Perfect.
Okay, that one broke.
Wait, did that actually just break?
It's not moving. It must have broke.
Oh.
Is that moving, Mark?
It's not. That's
Hey,
not even
that
a
looks
twitch.
like my side.
No, it's still got tension on it.
That doesn't even have a twitch.
Yeah, technically it has a twitch in it. That's a twitch.
Alright, I'm happy with it. Let's go. Done.
What about
Tatro,
that?
no more. Tatro, no
See,
more.
that side's bad.
Tatro at all. We never stop when we're ahead. That's the issue.
But we're not ahead yet.
We're ahead from where we were. Tatro's method is 2 steps forward, 8 steps back, and then 12 steps forward.
I think it's higher on this side.
Oh, Jesus.
It's higher on this side.
Tatro, I can live with 1 thou on the left side of the crane.
Okay.
Yes, I can live with it. Don't do it. Don't do it. He's about to do it.
Huh? What?
He's doing it.
What am I doing?
Put the hammer down, Tatro. Not like that.
Well, this is not a twitch. I'm fixing a twitch. Okay, what's it going to be now?
Not good.
Not
I
good.
feel it. I feel it. Oh, yeah. There it is. There it is. What did I say?
That side's moving now.
Okay.
Oh, but this side's smaller.
That's the important side. You had to touch it.
I had to touch it. Still off though. It's still off. Should go over and press and do it over there, but see, I'm lazy.
Told you.
And I told you to fix it before he did that.
Oh.
Roll back the tape.
Was that 3 lines now?
Where?
Oh,
No,
sorry.
it's still the same one over there. Well, you're clear about this side now. Oh. I need to go over there and press and beat on over there, but you don't want me doing that. So I think I'm gonna go over there and beat on the press.
No. Tatro.
That needs to go down.
It was perfect.
No, it wasn't bad.
Sigh. You want to bring it?
Nope. I don't know what I gotta do yet.
So, what's going on here?
Shit's fucked.
Let's see.
Shit's fucked. Oh, there's that line. Yeah, perfect.
This is perfect. What are you trying to bend that for? Keep them out of my way. I don't like you keeping those where you're gonna get hit. How am I supposed to see what I'm gonna do when you got the thing moved? I think this has to go down, but I'm not sure. So I gotta double check before I leave. Okay, that's high over there. It's high over there. It's high over here now. What'd you do? You changed it. Okay, either way, this needs to go down. Oh, geez, there goes the pan.
Oh, people called that the bean pot.
The bean pot.
Yeah.
Like a bean counter.
Yeah.
There's your high spot right there. So crank pennies you got right here and whack it. Right about there. Whack it.
Kids nowadays.
Okay. Fucking thing's heavy. Is this the right side? I forget.
You said right on the side. Okay.
Oh,
There you have it. Did it bend? I saw it go down. Must have bent it. How much I bend it?
I don't know. We shall see.
Hope it was the right direction. I went the wrong way.
So, how did that make you feel?
I've done that before.
Not good.
You're supposed to put lube on the tapers. You didn't do that either, I see. But you wipe lube off the shaft. That's a good thing. We don't want no lube on our shaft.
No, you're going the wrong way.
It's rattling. Go straight over there again. I think you went the wrong way. See, now it's high on that side. Needs to go down. This side's better though.
It sure is.
Still not working on that, so I'll work on this side.
Yeah. Funny how that works.
Yeah. It's high right here. This one's still high over here. This needs to go down. The other way. Why'd you get the wrong way?
Did you get your phone?
Oh, I broke my marbles.
Ooh, they don't want your crank. Ooh.
You want to answer it?
What? I'm busy.
All right.
I'm not here. I can answer the phone or do video or do cranks. I can do all three at once. I can do two at a time, but not three. What?
Here.
You have that back. Yeah, back to bliss.
You know, if only you had got that to a place that you could have lived with it, we wouldn't be here now.
That's right. That's right. Like 30 minutes, 20 minutes ago when
Too
I could
bad.
have lived with that. Yeah.
No, but he brought it here to be screwed with, so we're screwing with it.
No, I did not. I brought it here to measure it. And you started screwing with it.
Hey, they're getting more equal now.
Oh my god.
Good. Still out though, but gotta make it worse before we get better.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that one.
Needs to be hit over that side. Kind of over here with that S is.
Now, see, that's just a little smidge.
No, that was it. That's still the same twitch. That's what I had half an hour ago.
Yeah,
Taser, don't break my indicators.
Yeah. No, you may forget what I was doing. Damn it. Look out. Quit thinking, interfering, I'm trying to think. What's
What the hell was that?
Internal farting.
Oh,
Give me gas.
Is it lunchtime, teacher?
I had breakfast lunch combo. That's what's going on now.
Oh, the old
It's
3
working
o'clock breakfast, huh?
It's working its way through. Yep, she's working her way through.
Ow.
Ow! Ow!
Ow!
God damn it. I even forget what I'm doing. You think I'm doing the wrong thing. Okay.
Oh, that's a life hack if the indicator doesn't touch.
Yeah, I would have hit the wrong
It's
way.
got 0 movement.
yeah. That's good thinking.
That's right, that's how you do it. Okay, this is our high spot down here.
You need a Sharpie. I got one. You want one?
No. So it needs to go down right there. Okay. Go out that far. It's fucking high.
What was that?
Drop the balls again. My hammer at? So he takes off with everything, so I gotta carry everything back myself. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
We gotta do all the work in here. I don't know what the hell's up with this.
I was lubing the shaft. You were complaining about it.
The shaft didn't need to get lubed. You need to get out of my way. I see absolutely no lube on any of these fucking shafts.
It's about to lube it.
You wiped it off is what you did.
I did do that.
There's no lube on them. Low lube to no lube, that's helping me out. Good job.
Glad we can help.
Sure. There. Right there. Okay.
I like the harmonics.
Yeah.
Tatro once told me it takes 15 minutes to chew a 5-piece.
I've got him to put him to standard perfect. Okay, so that needs to go down.
No, fuck no. No, no shot. No shot.
No shot?
No.
2 shots.
Okay.
No shots.
No shot.
Didn't go out that far. Sometimes you can't put them back in when you do that. Quit helping there.
Sometimes you can't put them back in. What is that supposed to mean?
You'll find out when you start tuning your own cranks.
I get told not to help all the time.
Yeah.
Don't feel bad.
Yeah, it'd be like that. Tatro giveth and taketh.
Wow.
It just doesn't want to get any better than that. We don't want to move.
No. Bastard.
Just a little light hit. Wake it up.
Yeah, hook something up.
Remember when that was motionless?
Just
You're
like
emotionalist.
You know what this reminds me of? Do you remember the old Ultima crank at 24?
yep,
Bad day to be a crank.
that was.
Copyright.
Somebody wants me again.
Can I tell him to frig off?
Moving way out of whack again. Just went to the other side. Yep, they're both still down there. This side's worse than that side, see? Get a little up top. Same spot. And this side changed on us like it always does. And that same twist keeps coming back. That's in there all the time.
So why do they only heat one side of these?
Because the one side is for alignment for the oil hole.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Kind of important to have the oil hole line up.
There it is. There's that little... He answers the question that makes you feel like crap after.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, wait till the camera's off to ask what you were talking about.
Dead center. It's right there still. Same problem, it does not want to get better. There's still 180 parts, I just can't get it to change from what it wants to be. So go back to plan B. What's plan B?
I don't want to know. The bigger hammer?
I like that plan.
Fuck.
That's a good plan. You got that plan in stock? Move.
Oh, you don't want the bigger hammer.
All right. Go that way.
Excellent. I don't like this hammer.
All right,
Makes me cringe.
we'll be back.